Amid the arrest of former RG Corps principal Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, doctors continue their sit-in dharna demanding justice and seeking resignation of Kolkata Police CP, the Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal, in front of Kolkata Police Headquarters. A huge number of senior and junior doctors and medical students protested whole night for justice. The Civil Society of Kolkata and well-known actors and actors also joined in the midnight protest again.
You can see the doctors from the various hospitals of Kolkata is in the streets sitting and right now demanding justice for the RG Corps hospital incident. And apart from this, we can see there is the Tollywood celebrities, the actor, actress and many renowned people have joined the protest with the doctors right in front of the Lal Bazaar, sitting, and they are protesting, demanding justice and also demanding the resignation of the Commissioner of Police, Vineet Goyal, and also demanding the resignation of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. As we all know that Sandeep Ghosh with his close 3 associates has been arrested by CBI, but they want the main culprit, those who are accused of this heinous crime that has happened inside the RG Corps hospital of Kolkata, and they are raising slogan for justice as well as for the resignation of the Commissioner of Police, Vineet Goyal. With Tapash Behari, Anirban Sinha Roy for India Today from Lal Bazaar, Kolkata.
The night went on, protests intensified in Kolkata. More doctors, actors joined in the wee hours of the morning. Here's a report from 3 a.m. onwards.
We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice!
It's around morning in between 5 to 6 and still the doctors of the RG Corps hospital as well as the medical students and doctors were protesting in front of the Lal Bazaar, the Kolkata Police Headquarters, along with the police, those who are guarding in between the guardrail, in between the police headquarters and the streets, the lane that is known as Fierce Lane in Kolkata. And right now in my right hand side, there is hundreds on hundreds of doctors, interns and the medical students, those who are demanding justice. Amid Sandeep Ghosh, the former RG Corps principal, was arrested by CBI on the corruption case, but right now they want the resignation of the Kolkata CP Vineet Goyal, as well as they want the justice and they want the main culprit who is alleged in the RG Corps incident, and they want the capital punishment of them. With camera person Tapash Behari, Anirban Sinha Roy for India Today, Kolkata, Lal Bazaar.